The token we are talking about today, the project we are going to talk about today, is a project that is already affiliated with Aptos. Aptos is a already listed token in the crypto space. So if you check down, you will see also that it's already affiliated with OKX. You guys know OKX. Why I'm showing you guys all these things is for you to know the legitimacy of what you are about to miss, in case if you are not here with us. And this particular project have in their white paper that says by July, which is few months ago, the airdrop function is already added to the public. And fast forward to this September that we are, and September is about to finish. You can see that they say launch of the category in the platform. Now, the one that suits me the most and gets me more interested is this particular one that is going to happen by next month. According to their white paper, they says, and I quote, users are airdrop with RPK token based on their XP balance. So the project we're going to talk about today is none other one but Republic. Republic is a Web3 social media app. When I say Web3 social media app, I mean the crypto space social media app where you can earn something by interacting with a social media app. Gone are those days, according to Republic, gone are those days when you get nothing for using social media, something like Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp and LinkedIn and all these social media apps where people spend most of their time in without actually receiving anything, or else you have to have thousands of followers before you begin to earn anything. And according to Republic, gone are those days, because with Republic, just your interaction, both your likes and your comments and your posting and most of the things you are doing in the app is going to yield you something. So what are you going to earn from it? Let me go over to my account. You see that I'm currently having this 1,170 SP. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn this SP. As you can see that they listed it up here. First of all, you can earn by signing into the account, and by every 5 followers you get. And one thing about this particular platform is that getting followers is not hard, as in you don't even need to share your link or invite people before you get followers. Don't worry, by this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get followers. For me, I've not been taking the project serious until I made my little research and I found it. So this is my account. What you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video, sign up, and it's going to bring you over to my first page where you make sure to follow me. And once you follow me, I will follow you back, because all these my recent followers, I found out that they are my fans on my YouTube channel. So what I normally do is to come back here and try my best to follow everybody whenever I had chance to come to the account, to the app, to look for XP, because what we are actually doing is SP, looking for SP. And mind you, this Republic app, nobody is a superstar. If you check it out, people that have the most followers amount are the people that follows a lot. So I didn't even go into it much, and that is why I don't have much followers and I don't have much SP. And remember, the more SP, the more followers and likes and comments you have on your post, the more the more XP you got. Look at the SP that they are likely to change for us by October, which is next month. And there's one thing about it, there is this place that says strict bonus. So if you sign in, if you use the app for straight 7 days without actually saying, okay, today I'm not going to go to the app, they are going to reward you with a surprise box. So they just rewarded me my own earlier this morning, and I want to open it while making this video. So what I have to do is to click on claim and let me see what they are going to give to me. So as you can see, they just gave me 20 XP as a strict bonus, and now as you can see, my account have been updated to 1,191 rounds. So before today ends, I'm targeting around 2,000 XP, and once you reach 5,000 XP, there is this golden badge that they're gonna give to you, and it's going to be yielding you more. So what are the things for you to do to add the earning from the platform? So it's very simple. All you need to do is to first of all sign in with your email account or your Facebook account or any of your social media account. Once you're done with it, try your best to go ahead and interact with the app, follow people, sign up, like people's posts, follow people, so that you will get notified. As you can see, this person is following over 6,442 people, and he's just having 5,006 followers. And as look at it, he's having 7,722 XP. Why? Because he is following people. He's not trying to be a superstar. He's taking his time, at least bring out some hours of his time, go about the platform. The platform have thousands of users. Follow them back so that it will notify them that someone followed them, and instantly they're gonna go ahead and follow that person, like that person post, and every other thing that follows it. So as you can see, what I have to do now is to just click on follow, like some of his posts, so that he will notice that I came to his platform, his social media account, and instantly he's going to follow me back because he knows that this is the reason why I'm doing so. And for you to get bigger followers and bigger SP, what you have to be doing is to make sure that you check before you follow someone. Make sure that that person is not claiming to be a superstar. Make sure that that person is following people. Make sure that that person is following, so that whenever you follow them, they will likely follow you back. So at least use some time, use maybe 1 hour or 2 of your free time to go ahead to this app, interact with the app, follow people, like people's posts, make your own posts so that people will see you and also try to connect with you. So what this particular project is all about is trying to connect people and use their traffic to make money. Both them and us is going to make money. As you can see, this person is having close to 20,000 pieces of XP, and is now having a silver badge. Why? Because she's following a lot of people. Look at this, she's following 32,013 people, and she's only having 13,974 followers. But the main thing there is this XP amount, which we are expecting them to give it to us as their RPK token by next month. That is in a week or 2 coming. So just what you have to do is to go to any account that you see that is interacting with the app very, very well. They are not being stingy with followers. Look at this person. This person is now a superstar here, but she's following a lot of people. So that is what I'm actually trying to say. There's nothing much here. Try your best to interact with the app, follow people, make people to notice you. Make sure that people notice you a lot. Follow people, post things, try your best to post things so that people will notice you and try your best to follow you. So as you can see, this person is kind of forming superstar. He's having 163 followers and he's only following 3 people. That's the red flag for me. I'm not following you. So what I have to do is to go back and keep on looking for people that are serious in the business. So for me, whenever you follow me, I'm gonna also follow you back. So this person is having 22,000 people and having only 12,000 followers. It's already a superstar. And the main thing is the silver badge he just gotten, and is having 17,045 XP. Imagine how much this guy is gonna make by the time these people airdrop their token and he got listed. So I think I've shown you guys all you need to know about the platform. As for now, we are waiting for them to airdrop us with whatever they want to give to us as a reward for interacting with the app. So mind you, don't try your best, don't try and be doing superstar here. Or as you can see, my followers just increased to 414 because people I've just followed are now following me back. So if I go over to my followers here, I will just try my best and begin to follow many people because I'm not being stingy with it. Nobody is exceptional here. All of us are hunting XP, so I will keep on doing my best to follow people and even follow more than people that are following me, so that it will make the algorithm of the project to make people know me, because I'm interacting very, very well with the project. So remember, the more followers you get, the more coin you have. The more people you follow, the more people follow you and like your post and get your followers, and then your XP is going to grow. I think this is the end of this video, and I hope I shared a good value to you guys. Remember, this is ZBK Crypto, and my name still remains ZBK. See you in my next video. Bye. And please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more details. As for now, peace.